Followed.
So here, so in order for us to really feel our own energy, everything is about 100% presence. So when we are 100% within ourselves, without the distraction of the mind, we feel so much of our energy. So here, let's try to shake our fingers while we inhaling, exhaling, and while you're doing this, releasing all the stress from head, neck, shoulder, in your arms. It release it to all your fingers so you can really have this free feeling. As you are doing this, you can actually feel your fingers getting heavier and heavier, as giving it like in the finger you feel it, they have freedom, and they really have freedom in it. So now let's clap our hands 30 times. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 20. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9:30. Now here, rubbing your hands, bringing that cosmic healing energy in your palm, feeling the heat in your fingers. After moving your body and your energy, you should really able to feel. Now close your eyes here. Then just pay attention to my instructions and keep this hand like in front of your heart chakra center. And then slowly stop rubbing your hands here, and then slowly bring your hands apart, maybe 2 inches apart. And then here, you can feel the space, you can feel the warmth, you can feel the tingling sensation in between your palm, your palm, your palm. Inhale and exhale, allowing that heat, allowing that magnet to connect with each other. You can try to play with that energy, bringing hands apart a little bit and then closer to each other. In this hand is your energy ball in front of you. So it's up to you if you want to make it bigger and smaller. And the more you focus, the more you feel that energy field of yours. This is the energy was given to you ever since you're born. And it's always here protecting you and guiding you. It's your best friend, really. No matter what, it's always going to be with you. And it's really up to you to connect with that energy. You want to make it stronger, powerful. It's your choice. The more you focus, the more you connect, and the more you feel. Now, try to play with that energy, make it bigger. And don't worry, it may feel like it's not there, but it's always going to be there. You can make this energy bigger than your surroundings, than your body, bigger than this tree. It doesn't matter how big you want it to be, even as big as if you can reach the sky. Feel the magnetism, the opposites, the end and beginning, the dark and light. It's all here. With your breath, always connect with your breath, the gift of life. Inhale and exhale. Now bring it really closer again. And sometimes you don't really have to. You can feel each other's magnet bringing each other together. I know it will take time to practice on this one. What I'm trying to show you is something That is, there is such thing as energy body. That if you want to connect, you can. And it's always present, and it's up to you to focus and make it powerful as you want it to be. Now here, with that accumulated energy in your palm, you bring it in your heart chakra, left on first in the top of your heart, and then right of the on top of your heart center. It's the center of the chest. Now inhale and exhale. Feel the warmth in your palm, that healing hands. Feel your heartbeat. Feel that warm body. And then here with your left hand, bringing it to your right shoulder, the right hand on the left shoulder here, giving yourself a big, big loving embrace. Gratitude for the self love, gratitude for the self care, gratitude for this time, togetherness, and gratitude for everything that you have, the abundance, the ambience, the fresh air, nature, gratitude for Mother Earth. And from here, slowly bringing your hands together, palms together here in front of your heart chakra. Then here, inhale deeply. Hold your breath for a few seconds here. Then slowly exhale as you relax your head, your neck, your shoulder, your whole body down to your feet. Then again, inhale. Hold it for a few seconds. Then slowly breathe out as you relax your body slowly from head to toes. One last one. Big breath here. Hold it. Then slowly breathe it out, releasing all the stress, the blockages from the head, the neck, shoulder, chest, all the organs, to your hips, to your knees, and down to your feet. Then from here, we're going to end our short session. Panggap Samida.
Oh, sarap, no? Ibang klase, hindi ganun katagal, pero
It really doesn't really take that really much to move your energy depending what you're doing.
iba yung ano, no? Yung,
Did you feel
yung,
it?
yung, oo, alam mo yung,
This is something that this what actually woke me up, and this is what in the very beginning when I felt this energy I cried because how come no one ever taught us this? No religion, no school,
wala.
none of our parents taught.
Yeah.
So it's like, oh, there is such a thing,